How are you, my dear students? This is Umar, teacher of mathematics. You are watching my YouTube channel Maths with Umar. In this session, we are seeing grade 8 NCERT textbook solutions, right? And we are seeing second exercise of the first chapter, and the first chapter is rational numbers. Yes, we are seeing finding the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. We are seeing this. Yes, we have completed already 4 questions. So sorry, 5 questions and 3 bits. So yes, let us go for the 6th bit. Write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. See, it's the same concept. You have to apply the concept which we have already seen it. See, he is asking 5 rational numbers. You have to find out 5 rational numbers greater than -2. So first change -2 into p by q form. Okay, so let us write. So -2 can be written as -2 by 1, and even you can find an equivalent fraction of -2 by 1 by multiplying numerator and denominator with any one of the number. I am multiplying with 10 and here also 10. It becomes -20 by 10. Not only 10, you can do with any number, but you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. So now -20 by 10. Tell me, my dear students, what are the numbers which are greater than -20 by 10? Okay, so therefore 5 q's greater than -20 by 10 are, yes, -19 by 10, -18 by 10, -17 by 10, -16 by 10, and -15 by 10. Okay, so do you remember when we go in number line for negative numbers, if you go right, you will be getting greater numbers. Understood? So therefore minus are the 5 greater rational numbers greater than -2. Okay, I hope everybody understood this. Yes. Now 7th question, find 10 rational numbers. Okay, find 10 rational numbers. So let us do it. Let us apply the same what we have learned before. The 7th one, 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, here the denominators are different. So what we are supposed to do? Yes, by taking LCM and finding the equivalent fractions of these two. Very good. Now, so LCM of 5 and 4. What are 5 and 4? Yes, tell me first. 5 and 4 are co-primes. So therefore, what is the LCM? LCM is direct multiplication. 5 times 4 is 20. So you have to find out equivalent fractions of the given rational numbers with denominator 20. So now tell me how you are going to change 3 by 5 with a denominator 20. Yes, by multiplying with 4 in numerator and denominator. And if you take 3 by 4, multiply it with 5 in numerator and denominator. So that equals 3 fours 12 by 5 fours 20 and 3 fives 15, 4 fives 20. Okay, so now can you find out 10 rational numbers between these two? What are the rational numbers between these two? 13 by 20 and 14 by 20. You have only 2. So you have to find out 10 rational numbers. So what you are supposed to do? Your wish, you multiply, but what we have studied, you multiply with n plus 1. You multiply these two rational numbers with 11 or even 12 or any number you can use. So multiply the rational numbers, or no need, multiply with 10 in numerator and denominator. See, already you have two rational numbers, right? So you can directly multiply with 10. If you doesn't have rational number between the given two rationals, then you have to multiply with n plus 1. That means 10 plus 1, 11. Now it works out. So when we multiply with 10 in numerator and denominator, what it becomes? 12 tens 120 by 200 and 150 by 200. Now can you write 10 rational numbers between these two? Yes, we can write 121 by 200, 122 by 200, 123 by 200, 124 by 200, 125 by 200, 126 by 200, 127, 128, 129, 130 by 200, 131 by 200. Understood now? Hope you understood the concept of this, finding rational numbers in between and representing rational numbers on the number line. These two concepts are very important because they are going to continue in grade 9 also. So please practice. Okay, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Bye, take care.